There she is, 4,000 feet down. I'm marking the coordinates now. 3415 north, 4520 west.
Copy that. Ready for deployment.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Suit integrity check complete. Locking mechanisms engaged.
Copy that, Argo salvage. Ready to dive.
Argo surface, this is salvage 1. Maintaining descent rate. Systems check green.
Copy that, 1. Approaching the target zone now. After decades underwater, the massive container begins its ascent. The tension on the chains is immense. Operation Golden Hour. The Argo salvager lifts the legendary M6 from its resting place 4,000 feet below. Hold steady on the port side.
The barnacles seem to have reinforced the weakened welds. Maybe, but look at the stress fractures forming here. Noted. Uploading imagery now. Is the rear strap secure? Check. All right, take.
Encased in the Atlantic's embrace for years, this
Corrosion
BMW
level 9. Algae coverage near total.
Tension secure. Lowering now.
Clear on this side.
Slow and steady, watch the tires. This Marina Bay blue paint is heavily oxidized, and as you can see, the corrosion around the headlight housing is extensive. Slowly, the iconic kidney grille and adaptive headlights begin to emerge from beneath the thick layers of algae and corrosion. Using calibrated torque wrenches and high-power impact tools, the team begins the arduous task of dismantling the corroded suspension. Apply the first stage 50 Newton meters, 50 set. And confirmed click on the final sequence. The premium anti-corrosion sealant is applied in an even coat, gradually covering the restored floor pan and structural rails with perfect uniformity.
Taking the slack now. Are you clear on your end? Yeah. All clear. Bring it up slowly. Watch the firewall clearance. Got it. Bring her back slowly now. This S63 V8 has extensive marine contamination in the lubrication passages. Confirmed. The saltwater exposure really did a number on these journals.
Using a precision variable speed polishing machine, the technician meticulously removes oxidation from the forged aluminum piston. The new merino leather seats breathe fresh life into the cabin, contrasting beautifully with the preserved original trim. Achieving this flawless frozen black metallic finish requires absolute precision in the booth, especially around the masked edges. At Auto Recrafted, we use only genuine BMW M performance parts, ensuring perfect fitment and maintaining the vehicle's aggressive stance. Torque set to factory spec. Confirmed. Fitment looks perfect. The flawless frozen black metallic finish catches the evening light, a testament to the meticulous restoration of this automotive masterpiece.